Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Kavya and this is day 2 of 30 days English speaking challenge. So friend, today I will talk about my hobbies, but before that I want to say something. So right now it is 4 p.m. I'm recording this video. So friend, I wanted to record about 2 o'clock, but it was raining and I delayed my whatever I thought. I delayed and right now I'm recording. So in the morning it was bright and sunny, but all of a sudden it started raining and right now sun is out. So climate is changing. Actually, it has been changing for 2 3 days, so I couldn't record at that time. So I thought of record now. So let's talk about my hobbies. So I make mistake while speaking English, but if you will find any mistake, so you can correct me on comment box. So friends, my hobbies are I have couple of hobbies. So first, I love traveling. This is my one of the most favorite hobby that I like, and I I love traveling. I mean, when I travel, I observe people and I love exploring new culture, heritage, uh, culture, tradition, and I love green places. I mean, where a lot of greenery there, so I explore definitely. I visit. So sun is scorching me. So let me do something. Okay. And second, if I talk about my hobby, so I love listening music and singing too. So I am a bathroom singer. I mean, when I take shower, so I sing. At that moment, I sing song, and when I cook food, so I sing song at that moment too. So I'm a bathroom singer, as you can consider me, and I love singing song. I like Bollywood 19 songs. So who's your favorite singer? Let me know in the comment box. And my second hobby is reading books. So nowadays I don't have any books to read. So what I do, I just read through social media. So I read. There is no specific rules that I have to read novels and any topics. I read randomly, whatever comes, just I read. And I nowadays I like making videos. So this is my next hobby. So yeah, these all are my hobbies. So I hope this video helped you and you enjoyed this video. And my English is little weak, but if I speak continuously, then definitely I'll be able to speak fluently, right? So thanks for watching, and please consider to subscribe, like, share, and thank you.